The pros and cons of giving pets as gifts. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and important topic for pet lovers and those considering bringing a new furry friend into someone's life. We're talking about giving pets as gifts. This concept might sound simple, but there's a lot to unpack here. Whether it's a birthday, a holiday, or a special occasion, the idea of gifting a pet has both its charms and challenges. Let's explore what it really means to give pets as gifts, and the things you should consider before making such a decision. Giving pets as gifts refers to the act of purchasing or adopting a pet to give to someone else as a present. This could be a puppy, a kitten, a bird, or any other type of pet. The intention behind this gift is often rooted in goodwill, aiming to bring joy, companionship, and love to the recipient's life. However, this gesture also comes with a significant responsibility for the new owner, who will need to provide care, time, and affection to their new pet for many years. Joy and companionship. One of the biggest pros is the immediate joy a pet can bring. Pets offer unparalleled companionship, love, and emotional support. They can be particularly beneficial for individuals who live alone or those who could benefit from a non-judgmental friend. Encouraging responsibility. For children and adults alike, owning a pet can foster a sense of responsibility. It teaches the importance of routine, care, and empathy, as the pet's well-being depends entirely on its owner. Strengthening bonds. A pet can also strengthen bonds within a family or between friends, as it introduces a shared responsibility and a common source of joy and entertainment. Long-term commitment. A significant con to consider is the long-term commitment pets require. This includes regular feeding, exercise, health care, and attention, which can span over many years. Potential for surprise and unpreparedness. The surprise element of gifting a pet can backfire if the recipient is not ready or willing to take on the responsibility, leading to possible neglect or abandonment of the animal. Financial implications. Owning a pet comes with ongoing costs, including food, veterinary care, grooming, and more. The financial burden can be considerable and should not be underestimated. Giving pets as gifts is a gesture that comes from the heart, but it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons carefully. The best approach is to ensure the potential new pet owner is involved in the decision-making process and fully prepared for the responsibility. Remember, the goal is to make both the pet and the person receiving it happy and ready for their new life together. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the intricacies of giving pets as gifts. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.